Hello and welcome. Greg here from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool, wanting to tell you a little bit more about this Volkswagen Transporter that is now available at our dealership. This particular example is the Highline short wheelbase model, finished here in optional bamboo garden green metallic and powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with 150 PS worth of power. It's an incredibly gorgeous machine to look at, with striking daytime running lights and chrome accents, further uplifting the bamboo garden metallic colour. As one of our approved used vehicles, you can also buy it with complete peace of mind thanks to our comprehensive package, which will include a minimum of 12-month warranty. To complement the paint, a set of 17-inch Devenport alloy wheels are available as well, and there's even privacy tinted windows available from the back. As you can see here, it offers the best of both worlds with additional seating in the rear and plenty of load area, and the sliding doors will also reveal a roomy cabin. Easily offering loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3 passengers, there's additional 2 ISOFIX child anchor points available in the rear, as well as plenty of legroom too. As we move towards the back of the vehicle, there's also a distinctive taillight design with a prominent transporter badge in the rear too. To help with parking, this vehicle will also benefit from front and rear parking sensors, which I'll discuss once we move inside. Once the boot space is open, it'll reveal an absolutely cavernous interior. Load of storage, space for your shopping or even bags for holidays, and there's even more metal tether hooks which are great for tying down any loose items to make sure they stay secure when on the move. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Volkswagen Transporter. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel now to stay up to date with all our latest videos. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now in the section below or leave us a comment. Once behind the wheel of this Transporter, there'll be plenty for you to enjoy. This model comes with a number of factory-fitted options fitted, which I'll discuss shortly with you, but sticking with more the conventional controls, there's a benefit of heated, power-folding, electrically adjustable wing mirrors, electric windows, and even automatic headlights and rain-sensitive wipers. The leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel can operate Bluetooth and trip computer controls from the right, whilst the left side will operate cruise control and volume. The trip computer will have all the key information that you would want to know about the vehicle, and you can even adjust your audio and radio stations and even make phone calls and choose contacts whilst on the move. There's even front assist city emergency braking system on offer to keep you and your passengers safe at all times. Loads of hidden cubbyhole storages will make living with this Transporter very easy, whilst the touch-sensitive touchscreen offers plenty and even physical shortcuts. Offering the benefit of AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception, along with various media source functionality unlocking all these systems. Pairing your phone is also an incredibly process to adjust. Simply press Find Mobile Phone followed by Results and your device name will pop up on the top line. If you're a music fan, you can fully adjust the sound system in the car, optimizing and prioritizing bass, mid or treble, with even an adjustable balance function. To help with parking, rear parking sensors are audible and visual to make sure you avoid any nasty scratches to your bodywork. As we move down the cabin, easy to operate air conditioning system is done via the rotary dials, and there is even a climate heated windscreen available too, which is great for those frosty mornings. Overall, plenty of cup holder storage space, cigarette sockets, and there is 2 glove compartments, one above and one below as well, so you can really utilize the cubby space to your own individual needs. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Transporter Highline that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more, contact our friendly sales team today on 0151 515 2911 or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching.